There are several factors affecting inflation, and one, says an economist with First National Bank, is the current labor shortage.
We're at 3.5% unemployment. That's a 50-year low. And if you look at the number of workers coming back, we're at 153 million workers right now. We were at 152.5 in February of 19. So in 2 years, we're just getting back to the same number of workers that we had 2 years ago. The problem is that our economy, it only took about a quarter off. I mean, we've had some dips, but really, the economy's been growing for 2 years. The workforce has not.
In this week's Brain Gain Brief, we hear how the labor shortage is impacting the economy and what it means for 2023.
Brain Gain is sponsored by Farmers National Bank and the Mahoning Valley Manufacturers Coalition.
There are nearly 11 million job openings in America today.
Just in the last 2 years, we've lost over 3 million workers.
David Valintiner, a chartered financial analyst and director of interest rate management at First National Bank, says the tight labor market is causing employers to spend more to hire, which is leading to increased prices for goods and services.
So when we look at baby boomers as very experienced, dedicated workers with decades of work experience, it's hard to replace that, having them leave the workforce the last 2 years at double the rate prior. It just puts a drain on the workforce that's available.
Valintiner says about 3 million baby boomers are retiring every year, leading to more job openings, but also creating a skills gap that will require extensive job training.
The great thing about them was baby boomers stayed in the workforce much longer. So let's take a look at this. People 54 to 72, baby boomers were staying in the workforce at over 50%, whereas previous generations, if you look at the greatest generation, silent generation, they were below that. So not only are baby boomers now retiring at an accelerated rate, previously they had been staying in the workforce much longer.
You can hear more from Valintiner in the story on our website. The Bitonte Foundation, known for its philanthropic support of Youngstown State University and other institutions, is committing $10 million toward the College of Dentistry at the Northeast Ohio Medical University. The donation is the largest single financial contribution in NEOMED's history. In honor of the donation, the college will be known as the Bitonte College of Dentistry. The total cost of the project is estimated at $25 million. And that is all for this week's Brain Gain Brief. For more Brain Gain news, click Brain Gain under the Workforce Development tab at businessjournaldaily.com. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Mike Valintiner.
Brain Gain is sponsored by Farmers National Bank and the Mahoning Valley Manufacturers Coalition.